Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi. Gavana mar kaunti ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja okone lalruok ewi budget e kind tend counties kod piny owacho mamalo dhi twak ewi midhiero mar deko mar omenda ma ichoro ne piny owacho mag counties ma bende osemiyo counties mathoth obedo gi chandruok. Sakaja wacho ni counties oseyudo hinyruok mathoth nikech onge mar omenda kendo kata jotich ok yudo osara e yo makare.
We have world leaders from the whole world coming to the UN complex for the UN Habitat Global Assembly for all countries. But that notwithstanding, you know, the Constitution, Article 219 provides that before the end of the financial year, all dues to counties must come. And so we expect that the backlog, which is from the last 3 months, then can be sent to counties within this month. We were aware the national government has been able to get a facility recently, both from commercial banks internationally as well as from the World Bank and the IMF. And so we hope that can be used to plug in, because you find other counties are not able to pay salaries, they're not able to buy medicine, they're not able to stock the hospitals, and so it's been a tough time for most.